Behind me is the Sanjay Park, the so-called haunted, one of the most haunted park. See, the Sanjay the entrance, main entrance. Some riders as well. Hi. No, just a regular rider. Sometimes. Yeah. Sashoki Jao. Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Manipur. We just met.
Yes.
There are another group of riders.
Yeah, we were.
You are going back?
Yeah?
You are going back already?
No, we will ride with you. We will
Okay.
ride the bikes. We were just looking to you at great. We
Sure.
thought just like you are a cyclist.
No, I'm just a regular rider.
We will subscribe your YouTube channel.
I'm so excited, so happy.
You are welcome always.
Hmm.
In today's world, appreciation is not available. Appreciating very less.
Yeah.
They are opposing more.
Hmm.
So we
This is
should appreciate
I already subscribed.
everyone.
Hmm.
Oh, fine.
Thank you so much for the
One
support,
day
man.
you will be a great vlogger. Hope so.
Let's hope so.
So where are you heading towards now?
I don't know. I'll just go around the track.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then where will you come back? From which gate you will left?
I might exit from the same gate.
Same gate.
Yeah.
This is okay.
You can go ahead. The white shirt is a famous cyclist, it seems. Our new friend. You guys are riding here for the first time? We used to find fox and deer and all. Some say this park is haunted. Is it true? You guys are in which university again? IIT. Oh. PhD. Wow. Where is your original state?
I'm from Kashmir.
Kashmir. Wow. I wish to go to Kashmir one day. Nowadays, I think it's the best time. Yeah.
Neither hot, not too cold.
Yeah.
Actually, this city is cool city. A lot. So,
Yeah. When it's hot, it's so hot. When it's cold, very cold.
yes.
Oh, maybe 2 years back. I don't do that often. Yeah. Mm. Occasionally, I used to vlog for fun. 6 years. Acha. Close friend then. Yeah. Nice. Hmm. Upload. Yeah. Huh. Hmm. Yeah. Like a free bird. SSC. Yeah. SSC, CGL, CHSL and CPO. Yeah. It didn't go well, bro. Yeah, I speak, but bekar hai. Bekar Hindi. We have so many local dialects, but we commonly speak Manipuri as common language. Manipuri is our common language.
There's a lot of sweating here.
You can take the example from me.
Yes.
You were saying your name?
Oh, my name is Ishtiaq and I'm from Kashmir.
My name is Mohammed Sajjad and I'm from also Kashmir.
They are really good friends. I'm lucky that I met them this evening.
Oh, you are always welcome. It's always good to meet the people who are such loving persons.
Hmm.
Because in today's world is full of hatred, and if you met someone who speaks really well with you and are kind with you, one must feel blessed.
Yeah.
In the right.
Mohabbat ka dukan khulna padega.
Yeah, this is Rahul Gandhi.
Like Rahul Gandhi says.
And he made it. He did made it. and he became the leader of opposition in the parliament.
Yeah. Which party will win in Jammu and Kashmir?
I don't
The
know,
election is
I
going on,
don't-
right?
I don't want to get into politics. Politics are dirty game.
You can write without hands, man. He is still writing without hands. I'm finding it hard even to write with both hands. Best case, I want to keep this on footage. People used to come to this park and they run, they walk. It's such a good park to refresh yourselves. There is an outdoor gym as well. Living nearby this park, you can come. Sanjay One Park in Vasant Kunj. But beware, they say this park is haunted, or you might be even attacked by these wild animals. Oh, there is one there.
The little kid also cycling.
Yeah.
He'll be a good cyclist in the coming future.
Yeah. See, they're there. It's okay, it's okay.
Can you give him the cycle for 2 minutes? He wants to ride you.
Sure,
cycle
sure,
for
sure,
2
sure.
minutes.
He's going to try. He's going to try my bike. Go on.
ये साइकिल बहुत अच्छी है.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good and nice journey with you. Well.
Yeah, man. I enjoyed the evening because of you too.
Yes, sir. I enjoyed it.
We are leaving from this gate.
Yeah.
We are departing from here. Take care, man.
Yeah, we
Okay.
will be seeing you on YouTube, and
Yeah.
it will be memory for us. So, it's okay. It's time to say goodbye.
Yeah. To everything there is a goodbye, but a new beginning. They
Yeah.
say.
Okay, like, करना, share, subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. Yeah. Outdoor gym. If you guys are living nearby here, you can come work out, stay healthy, living with the nature. This is my bicycle here. Sometimes I used to ride with this and refresh myself. Health is well, guys. Stay healthy. Sometimes you need to go out and refresh yourself or even work out. If you don't have time to go out and work out, at least you have your room. You can do home workout from your room. Do some push-ups, squatting, skipping and all. Basic, but it's enough to keep you healthy, I think. Anyway, I'm glad I came out this evening. At first I hesitated a little bit to come out. I'm glad I met them. I feel happy after meeting them, such friendly people, all the way from Kashmir, from the north of India. You guys stay safe, take care, stay healthy, and see you guys in another video.